Hi there. Hello, and I'm here in the natural Florida. I am walking along the Econ River in the Econ River Wilderness area here in Seminole County, Florida, and I just wanted to do this short video to show you the river. I just had an Instagram live and a little excitement here. There's some ducks. Some ducks, some wild ducks, not semi. Um, yeah, there's some ducks here. Awesome. Oh, he flew. They're flying. Ah, flying ducks. Here's another one. Awesome wild. Ooh, awesome, interesting wildlife. I came down by the river. I should say, came down by the river, and I was thinking, uh, I hope I don't see any alligators, although it would be interesting to see an actual alligator in wild. Um, but I found ducks. Oops, sorry about that. um, but yeah, there they are, ducks. So if there's ducks around here, there's probably not any alligators handy. But check out this river. Goes over there. Over here. There's a section of cypress knees over here. Looks kind of interesting over there. And then we get over to the river. There goes the ducks. I'm guessing they're not very photogenic because they flew away over there. Okay. So anyway, sorry about the shakiness of the camera. My stabilizer is not an official gimbal. It does have a little bit of a stabilization feature to it, but it does not. It's not an official gimbal that just keeps it all kind of smooth. Um, so anyway, I just wanted to do this little video to show this river area and to show any of my subscribers and friends who don't live in Central Florida or only come to Florida to visit the Disney parks. And Disney does a good job with showing a little bit of, a natural um, view, but this is actual natural Florida. And those were not Disney ducks, those were Florida ducks. So, anyway, so once again, I am on the Econ River in the Econ River Wilderness area in Seminole, Florida, Seminole County, Florida. And yeah, so for about a minute here, I'm just going to be quiet and let you hear and take in the natural beauty of Florida before I end the video. So thank you for watching and have a great day. All right, thanks for watching and enjoying some of the natural Florida with me. Have a great day. All right, so after I did the other river video, the other section, I found this spot, which is a little ways down. It's a different view of the same river. So, very interesting. In just a few minutes down the pathway, the path, the trail here. So again, for about a minute or so, I just want you to enjoy this view of natural Florida, this river, the Econ River. And this is the direction that the ducks went in the last video. So we might see the ducks come around. But just enjoy this view of natural Florida. Let's come down here. Oh, that's a great view right there. Huge cypress tree right there. I don't know if you can tell. There's a huge cypress tree right over there. Right here.